Welcome back to Mr. Yoo-Hoo, and I'm really excited to be bringing to you the JBL ReflectFlow earbuds. We're going to be reviewing and unboxing these earbuds today and having a look at them. Now, why we're really excited is we did the Project Rock Under Armour earbuds last week, and we found them to be exceptional earbuds. They're great for exercising and being out and about. Now, the JBL ReflectFlow, we're going to see if they're just as good. Now, already this comes with a 10-hour battery life on this earbud. The case comes with another 20 hours of charging, which is exceptional. You could use them all day, even for a marathon potentially. Again, they're waterproof, sweat resistant as well, and it's powered by the fantastic JBL sound. So I'm really excited to be reviewing them. As always, we'll be taking it out on run, cycling, at the gym. We'll see how they perform. We'll be testing the sound out. We'll be unboxing them, having a look at how they look. So really excited to be doing this today. And as always, don't you love this yellow color? It really is nice. Well, anyway, let's not do any longer. Let's jump in and have a look at the review. And thanks as always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for joining us here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo. So here we are with the JBL ReflectFlow earbuds. So let's have a look. So here's the box we have. So you can see we've got the yellow earbuds we're going to be using today. A bit about the ambient aware, waterproof, and wireless, which we're going to be covering earlier. Also, it's interesting to note they've won a number of awards here as well for these earbuds. You're going to see in this review why those rewards, in my opinion, very much are warranted. There's a back, with a bit more information about it. Again, we'll be going through each of these in our review in more detail. And there's the spare earbuds and what you get in the box. So again, nice presentation as well, always from JBL. They always present very well. So there we are, opening up the box. Again, for sports, you've got a picture of the sportsman there. Now here are the earbuds to start with. So what I might do is, it's sometimes a bit tricky to get out of the box. So there's the first one, and there's the second one. Again, you can see they look very nice. Well, now these have 10 hours of battery life in them, which is excellent, considering how light they are. There they are there. Let's put those there for a moment. And here is the case. So the charging case itself has 20 hours of battery life in it, which again is excellent. So there's the case. You open it up and the earbuds fit nicely within the case. So this is where you charge the earbuds, within the case. So you sit them there like that. Okay, what we'll do is we'll go back to that in a moment, have a bit more of a look at what's in the box. So there's the box there. So you get a USB charging cable, USB-C charge, and you've got your quick start guide and information in regards to the earbuds, which obviously is very important when you're looking at setting them up. And you've got your ear tips. So these are what you put in your ears, different sizes, small, medium, large. I find the ones that actually come with the packet actually work really well for me. They're very good. So let's have a look at the earbuds a little bit closer. So I just rearrange all this. So going back to the box here, so when you pull the earbuds out, when you charge them, they activate immediately. Now what I love with them is you've got, on the left hand side earbud, you have ambient aware and talk through technology. Basically, if you press it once, you can reduce the sound, so you can talk to people, and you press it again and it actually stops the sound completely. So I was using the other day in the gym, did a workout, and I was able to not have to take them out, which can be a real pain if you're taking them out, which you don't have to do. The other one over here, this one here, you can answer calls. You can also call Google and Siri Assistant as well, which is great. Now these are also IPX7, which means they're waterproof. They're also sweat proof as well, which means you can use them going for a run at the gym. They work very well. Excellent. So as you can see, excellent presentation again from JBL. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to look at the earbuds in a bit more detail. We're going to look at them up close. So let's do that now. So here are the earbuds up close. Again, they're very, very light, as you can see. You can put them in your ears. You hardly even feel them as well. And they've actually got a really, really good seal and are very comfortable. You see that plastic bit? That's what wraps around the top of your ears. And there's the speakers in there. Now, 10 hours battery life again, which is excellent. Now here's the case again, 20 hours battery life. If I turn it over, that's where it plugs in to charge. The earbuds take about 2 hours to charge, so it's fast charging. Don't take long at all, and they sit there. Now, if you look at the size of this compared to my hand as well, it's quite light. I actually took this the other day to the gym and wore it, so very, very good. They come in different colors as well. What we're going to do now is we're going to go and try the earbuds on, so you can see how comfortable they are, and do my initial tests with them. So do that right now. Okay, so what does JBL Reflect Flow like to wear? So to put them in your ears is really straightforward. You just put it in the ear canal and just put a little bit of plastic so it sits in there nicely like that, so it fits really snug. Now they're very comfortable. Now when you're playing music as well, the sound is fantastic, but if you press a button once, it reduces the noise, the sound, so you can actually talk to people around you. If you press it again, it actually stops the noise completely, so you can actually carry on conversations if you want. This is really handy if you're at the gym, doing a workout, and someone comes and talks to you, rather than have to take them out, just go press, and you can then talk as well. You can also control music and sound through pressing the buttons on the earbuds as well, which is really handy. You can also use it to use, for example, Google Assistant to select different types of songs as well. Really, really handy, and that's why I enjoy using it. So what we're going to do now is going to go and duck out and actually use these out for sport, because that's what they're recommended. Again, they're IPX7, which means they're waterproof. They're also sweat-proof as well, so they come in very handy if you're doing a hard workout and you sweat quite a bit. So let's go and jump out and look at that on the road right now. It didn't move at all, held it nicely in the ears, and you can also press a button to hear noise around you as you're riding, which is really, really handy. Sound quality is great, and a really good experience using them on the bike. Really good. And also going running, it doesn't move at all in the ears. Great seal. Sweat resistant as well, so I knew they wouldn't get damaged at all by the sweat running through. Great sound and really immersive experience. Really good. I use it at the gym. As you can see, they don't move at all in the ears. Great stability, great quality. And I couldn't hear the outside gym noise as well. I couldn't hear the music from the gym. It was really quiet. And also I use the ambient aware to be able to talk while I'm using them as well, or pressing a button. Again, these are very, very comfortable when working out. And with a great battery life of 10 hours, I can do multiple gym sessions without any issues. Really good quality earbuds and great for working out. Loving a video? Want to fix some more Mr. Yoo-Hoo? Jump on our website, www.mryoohoo.com, for a range of articles, reviews, blogs and products that you can have a look at. See you there. Okay. So as you can see, excellent earbuds when you're using them for exercise. They don't move at all in the ears. They sound really good, and they're excellent. And I'd say they're up there right up with the Project Rock earbuds as well. If you want a great quality pair of earbuds, you can use for music, running, cycling. These are perfect. And the thing is, the call quality is also excellent as well. So when I was making and receiving calls, I could hear it very clearly. People could hear me. They're really, really good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go and do a sound test. We're going to hear how the sound is through these earbuds. You can see with different music genres. Then we're going to go and wrap up and do Mr. Yoo-Hoo's conclusion so you can get our final thoughts. So let's go and do that right now. Oh, sorry, I just got wrapped up then listening to the music. The music in these is absolutely exceptional. As always with JBL sound, the beats are crisp, the sound's great, and it sounds really good, and it's really enjoyable. Now, as you can see, it was perfect for running around outside, listening to music. When I got the sweat as well, it doesn't impact them at all, because being sweat-proof and IPX7 waterproof, they're excellent. Now, great sound. Now, voice calling was great, as you could see. Listen to people, it was crisp, they could hear me fine. Also, the battery life's exceptional. I've been using them for a couple of days and haven't had to charge them yet, which is great. And with the fast charging case, it really is good. Allows you to do it very good. As always, excellent pair of headphones, earbuds from JBL. They're about up there with my favorite, actually. They're right up there with the Project Rock earbuds, and I really recommend them to listen to. They're exceptional. So, as always, make sure you check out the other earbud and headphone reviews we've got for Mr. Yoo-Hoo. Let us know your ideas about what else we should be playing, but I do recommend these. If you love sports, you love fitness, then you need to get these earbuds. They are great, and the case as well just fits straight into my pocket, nice and easy too. So yeah, great job. And also how you can use Alexa and Google Assistant by just pressing the right earbud as well. You can answer calls, change tracks. It's great. So as always, JBL, excellently designed, great quality pair of earbuds, and up there with my favorite. You guys have done a great job. Now make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. We appreciate all your support, so let us know in comments below what you think. And again, thank you for joining us here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.